Yo guys, silverGameOfThrone is here. Welcome back to my new real stuff only. So, today we'll talk about Dash. What I have told you, remember? Never underestimate a good project. And this is how it is, you know. There is a time where you just need to do nothing. Literally nothing. Or accumulate, you know. You have dry power, you accumulate. And there is a time when you need to act, right? So look into Dash today, right? Dash was around 80. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see here. Dash was around 80. Now Dash around 70, right? So what an indicator for Dash? You see, this is a Dash, okay? So, you know, 2-3 days ago it was around 70, and it was all this sentimentals was Dash is a piece of crap. And what I say in one of my videos, yes, this is the time when you need to accumulate, right? So never underestimate a good project. Now, couple of indicators here. You see Dash market cap. It was, I told last time, if it will fall below 1 billion, I will be very, very conservative, you know, very scary. It will scare me. Not that, you know, it will scare me too much, but it will be very negative kind of, you know, intention for Dash. It didn't fail. It hold, and now in literally in last 2-3 days, it gathered like $300 million, right? So Dash 27% up, $300 million, and what is more important is a volume. Volume $730 million, something like this, right? So 7 days. Let's look into 7 days. Let's look into 24 days. You know where we are. Yeah, where is Dash? Dash. Oh, 24 hours. Dash is leading the chart in 24 hours, guys. Do you see this? Leading the chart in 24 hours, right? It's the last day. In last day, it gives the most, you know, profit. Okay. Again, Dash, the piece of crap, right? For 95%, but not for smart apes. Okay. We'll see more. Keep it tuned. I will show you some information no one is showing. Okay. Now let's look into 7 days. Okay. Even in 7 days, Dash is also very, very, very high. Now, there are these piece of shit tokens, right? Like ApeCoin, whatever it is. And you see volume, it's 2 billion. It gathered like 1,000. So, guys, I always want to say, don't try to catch, you know, something which doesn't belong to you. Don't try to catch, oh, you think if I buy, you know, this, I will make 1,000%. You don't know behind this, you know, how it works. I'll tell you. There are 5-10 people who has money and say, you know what, every one of us, let's roll $100 million and, you know, let's pump this ApeCoin or whatever it is, you know. Why? Because it's the same what is it? ERC20, right? The same token. So it's very, very easy to pump it, but you never know how you pump it. It's a ghost, guys. You're not going to, you know, catch the ghost. You don't know when it will be unpumped. These people know. They put money, they pump it, they sell it, and that's it. And you will be this bag of junk, you know. Don't try to catch. Be with the good guys. I show you. Be with the good guys, okay? And don't flip well, and you will be in profit, okay? Dash is a good guy. Now, let's see some fundamentals for Dash. Okay, so first of all, Reddit, you know, Reddit, let's compare, for example, Dash, digital cash, blah, blah, 44,000 members. Okay. Let's see Litecoin, 357 members. And let's see Zcash, 22. So Zcash has the less, but price is the most. What is telling me? Zcash is mostly accumulated by, right, Zcash accumulated by big sharks, guys. Institutional, big shark. It's not a, you know, it's become a coin for rich people. Okay, good it or bad, you know, be with it. Rich people decide in this life, you know, what will happen. They have money, they decide. Not you, not me. We are public, we are small guys. Okay, so this owned by rich people, by institutions. Okay. Then, what we can learn here, Litecoin and Dash. You see, ratio is 10 to 1. 44K for Dash, almost 100K for Litecoin. 10 to Dash. But calculation supply is not 10 to 1, right? Calculation supply for Dash, what Dash is how much it is, what doesn't show here. It's I think it's 18 million, and for Litecoin is 84 million, right? So 84 on 18, probably 4-5 to 1, right? 4-5 to 1. You see 4-5 to 1 and 10 to 1. So Litecoin is much more, you know, in circulation. People buy Litecoin, people send Litecoin, people use as a payment method as Dash. Dash is the second one, as Zcash is less used. So Zcash is mostly accumulated by institution because it's going to be proof of stake. Who knows when, probably, you know, just observation for you, okay? They're all good coins, just observation for you. Let me show something else, you know. Google trend, no one will show you guys. No one, it's very information which like only my channel can provide. So please, subscribe, like, hit notification. I don't see much, you know, love for my channel. It's only 2,300 subscribers. Share it, okay? Thank you very much. Appreciate any help is a help. So look here, Zcash, Dash and Litecoin. You see, the Dash is much famous than any of these three guys. Even Dash has only 44K members. Litecoin has 10 times more. You see, very interesting. So look here, for example, today. Zcash less than 1. Dash 84%. Litecoin 2. Okay? And if you look into, let's say, 2005 years, right? Even in 5 years, look into 5 years. We'll see the same picture. Dash is a much more famous between all three. Why? Because Dash literally very good technology. I believe it requires 2 probably confirmation. It's like milliseconds. It's 2 seconds. 1-2 seconds and, you know, transaction passed, okay? I don't have this information compared to credit card, but I believe it very fast, you know. So people are buying, people are doing, you know, there is a now you know, new debit card for Dash, you know, without KYC. So there are so many new technologies for Dash, you know. Literally go to Reddit and you will see all this, you know. There is a lot of interesting things here, you know, a lot of good, you know, good stuff to learn. Just go and learn it, okay? So yeah, you see, Dash is much more, awareness of Dash is much more than any of the three coins, okay? So this was telling me, the price for Dash will follow, right? And when people show Dash below $100, what I said? Dash below $100, Dash is not a trash. And Dash below $100, it's a gift for you guys. Why you don't listen to Smart Ape silverGameOfThrone? Now, you see, I told you, Zcash to Dash, Zcash 170, Dash 100, you can leverage Zcash to Dash. And then when Dash will come back, you can leverage Dash to Zcash, you know? It not always works this way, right? First of all, never do all in, 10-20% maybe, right? But if it play, then you guys, you just make like 70% of your coins literally without any investment, right? It's like trading, but it's not really trading, it's swing trading. You do the swing trade, you know, maybe once in a month, once in 2 weeks, once in a half year, you know, but it give you much more profit than any, you know, daily trading, okay? This is what, you know, as Smart Ape I see this, because Zcash was 170 bucks, right? And Dash was like literally $100, but see what is going now, right? See what's going now. Dash is 120, so maybe they will flip with Zcash again. It happened before. Why it will not happen again? I show you. Zcash, yes, is institution. They have a lot of money. They invest, right? But Dash is also public, and now people buying, you know, and institutions sometimes also, you know, follow Dash. You know, it's, you know, it may change tomorrow. We don't know. It may change. As Dash has more scarcity, it may change. Another indicator I want to show you about, which also no one is showing you, okay? It's a chart, okay? Calculation supply and Dash price. Just see like year to date, calculation supply. You see calculation supply always grow. But the price, it doesn't follow calculation supply. You see, if I look on all, you see when they started, you know, it was a lot of pre-mining, I believe, in Dash. And now they make it like a, you know, instant race, right? It's rising instantly, right? So here you see it spark and then go down, it spark and then go down. Why? Because, you know, as more Dash we have, it's not only inflation, right? It's less and less inflation. It's also, there is another back of the coin. More Dash we have, as more paper, you know, in case of negative some information, you know, or Bitcoin going down, more Dash is for sale, right? Because more in existence, right? So this also, you know, affect all this, you know, when we have negative feedbacks, you know, Dash start to fail, but you know, with the scarcity is going less, it will be less and less scarce, and even all this will exist, people will start using it, you know, it will, tendency will change, it's supposed to change, you know, not from this, you know, so we need to watch it, you know, not from this to this, because it's very clear, as you see, the price is going down as more coin we have, you see, as more coin we have, as price is going down, right? But it may change one day, because literally inflation will be so low, even with all is left, nothing to add, right? And then it may change and it will start to rise, okay? But right now we still have in downtrend, right? Correlated to price, okay? So these are all indicators for you. These are all indicators for you to learn, okay? So don't expect in one day price of Dash $1,000. That's what I try to say, okay, guys? Think, you know, $1,000, but I'm very positive, you know, that we will see much higher number, and you know, if you buy Dash for $100, it will be $500, you know, this year. What's wrong here, right? Or maybe $700. People just greed and fear. It's all we have, you know. No smart tapes, no brains. All I say, I want price, you know, $1 million. Okay, so regarding the price, I have two charts. It's a you know, it's a medium. Short to medium, and this is a long, okay? So short to medium, again, this is, you know, our trend, okay? I think this was like a, you know, the little bit pump here. Yeah, this was little bit pump, so I don't even consider it. So this is a trend. And I have Fibonacci here, you see? So this was this was first, you know, downtrend, and then we started another trend, and now we break it. You see here? You see it's broken. So this downtrend is broken. So we're coming up. So we need to break another downtrend here. You see? This we need to break. And this is around, okay, let me mark it here. Let's mark it here. So the first one, we need to break $120, okay? And we break it already, right? We break it already. 1 second. Let me change it to horizontal line. Yeah. So we break it already, and actually I was surprised that we break it like, you know, like you know, button, you know, like a button, you know, like nothing, you know, we didn't stop even. We break 120. The next level, this level, yeah, this level 150, 155. This is the level when we will have this, you know, the first downtrend, you know, and it will be a strong resistance on this level, right? And then all this Fibonacci level like 190. Then we will have 240, and then you know, 330, and then we have this 433. Okay, so this is the levels, you know. All will depends on Bitcoin, right? But right now I see Dash between 120 and between 150, and it depends, you know, how fast it can break. Once we break 150, we will reach, you know, Zcash level very fast, you know, all this level. But this will be some tensions here, okay? And a long trend, I already show you on a long trend, you know, now next 2-3 years, I see Dash, you know, minimum around $1,000. Okay, this is a trend when I see Dash. When it happened after, you know, second Bitcoin halving, on, you know, before Bitcoin halving, I don't know, probably, you know, somewhere in 2022, 23, maybe end of this year, next year, we'll see. But it will be some time when Bitcoin will go down, right? Usually Bitcoin go down before second halving, okay? So expectation, okay, don't be just realistic, guys, okay? And as I say, if you buy it around 100 and you know it is between these levels 500 and 1000, okay, so you can unload 10%, 10%, or move to Bitcoin, you know, and see what happens. It goes spark up, you load more. It goes spark down, then you know, then you do nothing or accumulate, okay? So Dash is not a trash, you know, as many say. Dash is a good project, okay, and awareness of Dash is the most between all these three. So, you know, just watch Dash. It's like, you know, it's nice to have. I basically keep all of them. Dash, Zcash, Litecoin, the good guys. And, you know, they play games, you know, up, down, up, down. You can leverage them if you want, you know, it's up to you. But again, never underestimate a good project, okay? Like, subscribe, hit notification. Dash has a bright future. All the best, guys. Bye-bye.